What's up guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate images using the Google Translate app. So what you want to do guys is just simple open up the app and click the camera. You'll be able to take a picture, or you can click on the images on the left hand side and you can go into your images and simply choose an image with text. So for example, this text here, I can easily go ahead and translate this. So as you can see, I have English as one language and the second language is Czech. So this is currently a Czech picture, so you will not see any translation, but if I swap between the two, you will see now that it translates the language. If I want to add a different translation from the languages, you can choose to select a language and choose between those different languages, and you can translate that into another language. So let's say I would like to translate it to, let's find something. Let's choose, for example, French. I can select French and you will see right there that it's going to translate from Czech to French, and you can do vice versa and see what the language translation will be. And that's how easy it is guys. Very easy and very simple how to translate images using the Google Translate app.